Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to restart any iPhone without using the power button. So let's say when you press the power button, it's not working, your power button's broken. By the end, you will have your iPhone fully restarted and you would not have needed to press the power button once. So what you want to do is just open up settings, scroll down, and you just want to find general. Scroll down again to the very bottom until you see shut down. When you tap on this, you'll see the slide down page. What you want to do is slide to power off, just like that. And now your iPhone has been turned off. However, how do we turn it back on? How do we finish the restart? What you want to do is get your charging cable, and all you need to do is just plug in your iPhone to the charging cable, and when you do that, it will turn it back on. Now, if it doesn't work right away, you will need to wait 10 seconds, then try again. However, for me, you can now see the Apple logo is now showing on my iPhone, and I've successfully restarted my iPhone without using the power button. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.